This video lesson is about application of conversion of measurement units through problem solving. In the previous video lessons, I showed you how to convert metric unit to another metric unit using the mnemonic device like this, wherein we simply move the decimal point to the left or to the right because the unit is based on the powers of 10. While another video lesson in converting English unit to the same English unit, and we also discussed there how to convert English into metric system. So this time, let's have word problem. So let's have the first application. A school custodian must mark off a field that is 150 feet by 85 feet. His meter stick is marked in meter. What is the dimension of the field in meters? So to answer a word problem, let's use the following tips. Let's write first the given and identify the units to be transformed. Here, we have 150 feet by 85 feet and ano yung units na ita-transform natin into? That is into meter. So that is 150 feet by 85 feet into meters. Next, let's identify kung English to English unit ba to or English to metric conversion. So from feet to meters, this is English to metric units. We need to find yung conversion table na meron English to metric. So we can use this. 1 foot equals 0.3048 meter. So let's solve the problem. What is the dimension of the field in meters? Kapag sinabing dimension, that is the measures of length by the width or base by the height or side by the side. That is why here we have 150 feet by 85 feet. So we need to convert each into meters. So let's solve first 150 feet into meters. So this one is over 1. Multiply it to the conversion meters and feet. We have 0.3048 meters in 1 foot. Again, we make a fraction wherein nasa top yung gusto nating i-convert at nasa bottom naman yung given, which is the feet. So we can easily cancel this. 150 times 0.3048 meters, that will be 45.72 meters. Okay? And then another one, 85 feet into meters. Again, 1 foot equals 0.3048 meters. So we can cancel this and multiply 85 times 0.3048. That will give us 25.908 meters. To finally answer our problem, the dimension of the field is 45.72 meters by 25.908 meters. Let's have word problem number 2. The odometer shows distance traveled in miles. On a recent trip to deliver product, Marcus drove 1,564 miles. How far did he travel in kilometers? Here, we're talking about the distance, which is in miles, and we need to transform or convert it into kilometers. So this one is English to metric system. Hanapin natin alin yung conversion na magagamit natin. What we only have here is 1 mile equal to 1,609.344 meters. Wala tayong direct conversion into kilometers. But since we have 1,609.344 meters, we can convert meters into kilometers first. Dahil metric to, we can use the mnemonic device King Henry died by drinking chocolate milk, wherein B is the base unit for the length or the distance, that's meter. At nandito naman yung letter K for kilometers. Meter to kilometers, we simply need to move the decimal point. 1, 2, 3. That is 3 spaces to the left. 1, 2, 3. That will be 1.609344 kilometers, which is equal to 1 mile. Ito na ngayon ang gagamitin natin. So from the given, 1,564 miles, gagawin natin itong kilometers. Based on the given, 1 mile equals 1.609344 kilometers. Just multiply the two and we'll have 25,176.58 kilometers. Okay? Number 3. Frederick is taking a trip to Europe. The airline said he can only bring one suitcase, and that suitcase cannot exceed 20 kilograms. Frederick knows his empty suitcase weighs 4 pounds and has already pulled all the things he needs out of the closet, which weigh 40 pounds. Do you think Frederick's suitcase will be allowed by the airline in terms of its total weight? Why yes or why not? Ibig sabihin may policy ang airline na dapat ang suitcase na dala ni Frederick ay hindi lalagpas sa 20 kilograms. Pero sabi niya, 4 pounds na yung bigat ng suitcase na wala pang laman. At maglalagay siya dito ng 40 pounds na gamit. So kung ititimbang natin, papayagan kaya siya ng airline given the weight of his suitcase? Let's see. Again, based on the given, we have 4 pounds and 40 pounds. We need to convert it into 20 kilograms. So, syempre, ito yung suitcase na walang laman plus yung laman niya. That will be a total of 44 pounds. Let's convert pounds into kilograms so that we can compare kung lalagpas pa siya or hindi doon sa standard ng airline na hanggang 20 kilograms lamang ang allowable. So we are converting pounds into kilograms. That's English to metric unit. And we can use this one. 1 pound equals 0.4536 kilogram. 44 pounds into kilograms. So let's just multiply 44 times 0.4536, 19.9584 kilograms. Ibig sabihin, ang suitcase kasama ang laman nito ay 19.9584 kilograms. And if we compare it to this one is less than 20 kilograms, which means papayagan yung laman niyang suitcase. So therefore, this one is a yes because his suitcase weighs 44 pounds or 19.9584 kilograms, which does not exceed 20 kilograms. Number 4. Sophia needs 3.5 meters of cloth. If the cloth she wants to purchase costs 60 pesos per yard, how much will the cloth cost? We are given 3.5 meters of cloth na kailangan ni Sophia and ang cost nun ay 60 pesos per yard. So we need to convert first the given 3.5 meters into yards para malaman natin kung magkano nga ba yung babayaran niya. Ayan na yung given natin. That is metric to English. And tingnan natin alin dito yung magagamit natin. We have 1 yard that's equal to 0.9144 meter. So let's use that. Using the given 3.5 meters, multiply that to a fraction wherein yung nasa top yung gusto nating unit, nasa baba yung given, and we know that 1 yard is 0.9144 meters. So here, 3.5 times 1, that's 3.5, divided by 0.9144, so that will be 3.83 yards. Okay? Pero the final question is, how much will the cloth cost? So if she will be buying 3.83 yards and each yard costs 60 pesos, we need to multiply this to 60, so we can have 229 pesos and 80 centavos. So this one will be the final answer. Let's have the last problem. An adult and a child were both prescribed to drink the cough syrup every day for 2 weeks. The adult's dose is 2 tablespoons, while the child's dose is 2 teaspoons. How much more teaspoon does the adult intake than that of the child in 2 weeks? Based on the given, we have 2 dosage here, 2 tablespoons for the adult, while 2 teaspoons for the child. So an adult must intake 2 tablespoons per day, while the child must intake 2 teaspoons. So the adult is asked to drink 2 tablespoons per day for 2 weeks. 2 times 7 times 2 is 28 tablespoons, while for the child, 2 teaspoons times 7 times 2 for 2 weeks, that's also 28, but this one is teaspoon. Yun yung nainom nilang gamot for 2 weeks. So what we are asked here is to know how much more teaspoon does the adult intake than that of the child in 2 weeks. So again, notice that they have different units. Ito ay tablespoon, ito naman ay teaspoon. Ito ay nasa teaspoon na, so we need to convert itong tablespoon into teaspoon. So we can use this conversion unit wherein 1 tablespoon equals 3 teaspoon. 28 tablespoon yung may letter B, and then we need to convert it into teaspoon. So again, 1 tablespoon equals 3 teaspoon. 28 times 3 is 84. So this means that the adult drinks 84 teaspoon compared with the child 28 teaspoon. By how much more? So 84 minus 28, that will give us 56. Our final answer is, how much more teaspoon does the adult intake than that of the child in 2 weeks? So mas marami ito ng 56 teaspoon. Okay? I hope that by this video lesson, natutunan nyo ang applications ng conversion of metric and English units. Kung hindi nyo pa napapanood yung video lesson about that, don't forget to subscribe and watch these videos here. Thank you!